What if I told you there's a world of insanely reliable, cheap trucks that can last forever, and we're diving into them right now? These are the trucks that can haul your stuff, take a beating, and leave your wallet full. Trust me, you won't believe how affordable they are. Stick around to the end. I've got a trick for you that'll change the way you think about budget trucks. Before we get started, I've got to ask, what's your dream truck? Drop it in the comments below. And by the way, would you rather drive a classic Ford with a roaring engine or a no-frills Toyota that keeps on going forever? Tell me your pick, and let's jump into this. All right, here we go. 5. The first-gen Toyota Tundra and T100. Before you think these trucks are too meh, hear me out. Imagine this. A truck that's built like a tank, keeps its parts forever, and goes over 300,000 miles without a hitch. That's the Tundra and T100 for you. Sure, these trucks aren't going to win any beauty contests, but they will win your heart for their durability. They're simple to fix, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. They're still a go-to for work and play. Plus, you can always find parts, and I mean always. Can't say that about most cheap trucks, right? But don't get too excited just yet. There's still a truck coming up that will make your jaw drop. 4. First-gen Dodge Ram, 1972-1993. You want tough? You got it with the original Dodge Ram. These trucks come with some seriously beefy engines like the iconic 360, and for the diesel fans out there, the infamous 6BT Cummins. But here's the kicker. They're crazy easy to fix. You'll find parts in any junkyard, and if you're into DIY repair, this truck is your best friend. Oh, and you can run it on vegetable oil, if that's your thing. Yep, you read that right. The downside? Parts availability for certain engines can be a little tricky. You may not find that distributor for your big block Dodge at AutoZone immediately. But hey, you're a true car lover. You know what I'm saying. Sometimes it's worth the wait for these legendary machines. 3. OBS Chevy Silverado, 1988-1998. Who doesn't love the OBS Silverado? No one. Seriously, it's basically the official truck of car enthusiasts everywhere. You can find these beauties all over the place, and they're so reliable you'll forget they're cheap trucks. The 5.7-liter V8? Absolute legend. The 6 and 5-liter Detroit diesel? Powerhouse. And best part? The aftermarket is huge. Whether you're modding for fun or fixing something simple, parts are everywhere. But hold up, here's the thing. If you don't mind a few quirky TBI fuel injectors, aka the spider injection, these trucks are as solid as a rock. If you do mind though, just slap on a carburetor and call it a day. Problem solved. 2. OBS and Bullnose Ford F-Series, 1980-1997. Alright, let's get to the Ford lovers. If you're into trucks that roar with power, then these trucks should already be in your garage. The Bullnose Ford F-Series brings tough engines and serious potential for mods. Want a V8 to scream down the road? You've got it. Need something that's diesel-powered and built for towing? Done. But here's the catch. You need to watch out for the cavitation issues on those diesel engines. And if you've got one with the electronic fuel injection, I'd say throw on a carburetor for more simplicity. Honestly, these trucks are beastly, and that's before you start tuning them up. 1. The Square-Body Chevy, 1973-1987. Drumroll please. The one, the only, the truck that redefined what a reliable workhorse is, the Square-Body Chevy. No truck on this list gets more love from enthusiasts, and for good reason. The parts are cheap, everywhere, and easy to work on. Want a carburetor? Check. Need a new intake? Done. Head to your local auto parts store, and you'll leave with everything you need to keep this thing running forever. The beauty of the square body is its simplicity. Want to swap in a V8? Go for it. Want to go even further and build a beast? Easy. Just don't let anyone tell you these trucks are outdated. These legends are still the go-to for anyone who wants an affordable, reliable, and easily modifiable truck. You can even get fenders for a square body on Amazon. Yup, they're that popular. Before we wrap this up, let's throw in a few honorable mentions. Second-gen Rams, Chevy Silverado 2500s, and more. But here's the thing. Those trucks are more tech-heavy, and if you're like me, you want something simple. You don't want to mess with body control modules that cost more than your whole truck. Now, you've seen the cheap truck options, but which one would you pick? Let's start a fight in the comments section, shall we? Alright, now it's your turn. Drop your thoughts below. Are you Team Square-Body Chevy, or are you ready to roll with the Tundra? Don't forget to hit that like button, And of course, subscribe to get more truck content that'll make you feel like a pro mechanic. Seriously, if you don't, well, I think you might be secretly a robot. Just saying. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one, where we might just have a monster of a truck showdown. Red Truck out!